From south to north, this week we've got 2 exciting turkey hunts coming at you from the Turkey Posse. First, we've got Will Cooper. He's down in Texas trying to kill a Rio Grande gobbler on a DIY self-filmed hunt. And then also Will checks in with an update about his brand new Savage Renegauge turkey gun. Then we're popping up north with Mike Nelson. We've got just a short window of time to get Mike on his first ever Eastern Longbeard in his home state of Minnesota. Thank you so much for watching the Turkey Posse. We've got at least one more great episode coming at you next week. And please, while you're here, subscribe to the Field Notes Outdoors YouTube channel. You're going to be able to get all the updates about this series and all the content we've got coming down the pike throughout the season. And please hit that like button on this video, leave a comment, and share this video with your buddies if you dig it. Thanks again for watching.
All right, y'all. Morning 2 of the once named Texas solo hunt to turkey redemption tour. So going out this morning, and I'm gonna set up and I'm gonna put a couple of decoys out, and I'm just gonna sit because I have no idea where any of these birds are. I haven't heard any gobbling at night. So I heard one last night when I came out here to roost, and I heard a gobble way off that I don't even think is on the property. And so I'm just gonna go set up close to where I had that encounter with that turkey yesterday. There's a good strutting zone, if you want to call it that. That I think that's what he was doing, was just chilling over there. And so I'm gonna go set up in that, see what happens this morning.
Yes! Yes! God! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh. That bird came straight from behind me, put on an awesome strutting show this morning for me. I mean, came running in, decoy, hen decoy off to the side. Oh my gosh. Like, that is the kind of turkey hunting I love. Like, cat and mouse, just got it done. Solo Texas revenge tour after I missed yesterday. Oh God, that feels so good. I had bird gobbling over there this morning, didn't even hear him roost last night, and this bird came straight from behind me, and I had another two or three birds way off in the distance. I was trying to work it. They were slowly working their way, but this dude came running in, and Renegauge, got it done this morning. Let's go take a look at this joker. God, had a beautiful fan, long beard. Let's go check this dude out. Sheesh. Look at that joker right there. Heck yeah, fellas. Look at the color on that head. Heck yeah. Beautiful Texas Hill Country bird. Boy, that feels good. Just put an awesome turkey down. Look at that pretty fan. Man. Hard work, late hours, getting it done in Central Texas, solo turkey hunt. Couldn't have asked for a better hunt. Super stoked about this. So I'm gonna go get this one back to the truck and go show it off to the wife and daughter. So one of the things I want to talk to y'all about is the shotgun I've been using this 2022 turkey season, and that has been the Savage Renegauge turkey bottomland shotgun. And I gotta tell y'all, I love this thing. It's performed phenomenally for me, especially with all the miles that I've been putting on boots chasing after these crazy turkeys. I've got a couple different attachment points on here so I can put a sling on here. I also like that you've got a vented rib up on top. One of the things I'm going to be doing after Josh has turned me on this from our hunt down in the Devil's Nest, make sure you check out that video, is putting a red dot on front. I'm going to be putting an Aimpoint Micro S1 red dot on the front of this gun. I'm just about to put that on, so I'm super excited about that. I've never hunted with red dots before, so Josh has turned me on that. Looking forward to that. You've got a turkey choke that comes with this thing, and you've got oversized controls on here, so you're not trying to fumble around, trying to either eject a shell, put a new shell in, find your safety. It makes it super easy to use. You've got an adjustable cheek plate depending on who the shooter is or how you're shooting, and you can put different recoil pads on the back. And so overall, this thing has been awesome. Under 8 pounds, makes it a dream to carry out in the woods, and I can't say enough good things about this shotgun. Tell you what, it's fun to pick the old boomstick up again. I've been shooting nothing but bows for the past couple years now, so definitely feels good to get that little boom on the shoulder there. See what this pattern did at 40 yards. Knocked down the target stand, so I'll take that as a good sign. All right, so I flipped this target over because the bottom half didn't get hit on the first shot that I did a little bit ago, and I am impressed, thoroughly impressed.
All right, excited to get my hopefully first hunt for an Eastern, everything. First time in Minnesota hunting for an Eastern. So here's the property. You know, I think you told me it's about 300 acres. Man, that looks nice. Oh, does that look nice?
Well, here I am, man, in Minnesota where I grew up. First 28 years, saw my first strutting turkey down in the Mississippi Valley here, down in Beaver State Park, 1991. Shot my first turkey in 2003 in Oregon, and shot about 25 since then, all out in California and in Oregon. And it's my first time hunting Easterns, and heard my first gobbles of an Eastern turkey here.
Well, good morning. Here we are, man. Here with Josh Dalkey, who I've worked with for 8 years, and finally getting out with him. We roosted several birds last night. Looking forward to a good morning. Let's hopefully they cooperate and walk right in and we knock one down with that red dot.
We can hear a bunch of gobblers, but they're all on the other side of the river. But I know I heard some on this side last night, so they're just not talking right now.
This is where we think we heard them that way, right over this ridge. Why wouldn't these be gobbling if they're here?
Yeah, they do.
Can I take that one on the right? Can I take him?
Yeah.
Well, first Eastern gobbler, man. 6 jakes, it looked like, or 5 jakes just came out of nowhere. Josh got me on this red dot last night, and I'm glad I turned that baby up a little bit. as the sun came in. And I was able to get through these branches, and there was the three of them, when he found it, put it right on him and trusted it. Look at that, they're all just standing around. That's why you never want to jump up. Never jump up. Look at this, they have no idea. Noise does not freak them out. It's humans that freak them out. A jake is nothing wrong with a jake. I mean, I was just as excited as I am at any turkey. We watched all 5 of those come right across that whole field, right to our Montana decoys over here, which I have fallen in love with. That red dot, I have never done that before. I'm sold, especially getting underneath this tree and trying to get on them, because it was tough. Just a blast. Thanks, Josh.
Well, back at Josh's place, done with the hunt. Again, as I told Josh, it was a 10. You don't need to have a 25-pound, 10-inch bearded, 2-inch spur strutter to make your day. You know, I hunted with my nephew a few weeks back, and you know, he ended up shooting at Jake. He wanted the Tom. He watched all those shows, and this is a beautiful bird. Look at that, nice tender meat. Josh is going to help me prepare this. You know, and as you know, nothing better than having a sharp knife. This is the whole process. We're gonna eat this tomorrow night, and I'm heading up to Wisconsin, hoping to call in a first turkey for my buddy Kent. So, what a fabulous time.